That is lovely. Put it back right in front of me. On glasses, because it's really roasted. This is me tea. Look, lovely colours. I think what I'm going to do is just... It's been very slow, but there we go. A mini tope, or mini shark. And the other one back already. But the pools are deep enough. I've got a couple of little tope in there. Black lug, a ragworm and half a squid, and some really decent sized hooks. So that's the sort of bait that we believe cod like. £1 pulley length and £80 hook length. So I'm upping the gear a little bit now. So there we go, let's get it out. Amazing. Bye Mr. Eel.